This is our anti-Obama cartoon. Part A, what message is a cartoonist trying to get across to the viewer? Would any particular group of people be offended by the cartoon? Which group would agree with the cartoonist?
This cartoon implies how bad the economy is due to Obama's failed attempts to make it better. Democrats who feel Obama is not to blame for the struggling economy would be offended. Republicans who feel Obama is at blame for the struggling economy would agree with it.
Part B, what features of Obama are caricatured in each cartoon? Is the cartoonist creating a flattering depiction or an unflattering depiction?
Obama has huge ears and a long, slender face, which is unflattering as his expression suggests he is stressed out and overwhelmed.
Part C, what symbols and/or illusions does a cartoonist use?
The big ugly man coming out of the cake is the economy and it is in very bad shape. This is Obama's birthday present as opposed to JFK's Marilyn Monroe.
Part D, how does a cartoon support the Democratic, liberal, or Republican, conservative platform?
It supports the Republican platform by suggesting that Obama is a very big contributing factor to the crippled economy.